Introduction about ERP. ERP is used by organizations looking to manage their business function within a centralized and integrated system. ERP can be utilized by a number of different industries, including those in healthcare, non-profit groups, construction, and hospitality. Introduction to Nestle Company. Nestle is a Swiss multinational food and beverage company and founded by Henri Nestle in 1866. It is one of largest food company in the world with presence of 191 countries and more than 2000 brands. They generally make products of dairy, drinks, ice cream, baby food, healthcare, nutrition, etc. The company focuses on the production and supply of great quantity and quality and health food products. 16,000 employees are working in Nestle and their annual revenue is about $8.1 billion.
Nestle is a big company, but due to the improper implementation plan, lot of problems was faced by the company. The difficulty is faced from company is that the vanilla is one product of the company and company has lot of vendors for a product. The 29 different prices for same vanilla obtained from same vendor. That means the profit is earned by the vendors, not by company. Also, the central data of the product is not in the company, so the product is sold by the company in large amount. But due to less data present in the company, the Nestle company got loss in the product.
Due to lots of difficulties in Nestle decided to implement ERP system. In 1992, Enterprise Resource Planning, that is ERP system, provided SAP, introduced the R3 system of client-server architecture, and which became crucial point for Nestle for its growth. In addition, Nestle made a 5-year deal with IBM in $5,000 million for software, hardware, IT services and integration of its MySAP.com, e-businesses software system, etc. Nestle was practically successful with SAP system and it was trying to solve the information management system by improving the SAP system all over the world. The goal of Nestle ERP implement was to make unity in all departments, to make a clarity in company.
Nestle implemented the ERP system in 11 different phases: pre-evaluation screening, package evaluation, project planning, gap analysis, re-engineering, customization, implementation, team training, testing, going live, end user training, post-implementation phase.
Due to implementation of ERP system in Nestle, it gets many benefits, such as company gets more possible to save more money. Also, it improves productivity of company. Due to this, the customers of Nestle grows. Also, the ERP system provides risk management. Because of this, the inventory monitoring and production planning of Nestle get improved. Resource management is one of the most important benefit of ERP system to the company. Hence, the company have better financial planning. Also, with the help of ERP system, the communication between company and customers gets stronger and easier. Hence, the ERP system's most important benefit is adapt today, acquire tomorrow.
Conclusion. Due to the implementation of ERP system in Nestle, the company gets lots of profit, increase coordination in all the departments, and the most important is improve and simplify the management system, and the company becomes too well known to everyone.